Hello fellow journey mapper! Welcome to the UX Pressure channel, where we cover all mapping related topics and talk about CX in general. If you're new to our channel, make sure to check out our helpful guides and case studies. And now, let's get started. Today, I'll be showing you our brand new deck of cheat cards for employee experience mapping. If you don't know where to start with your map, need inspiration, or want to make sure you're on the right track, this deck is for you. The deck is a PDF file of 69 pages. There is a short introduction on how to work with the cards. Then we have two different card types. The first group are the stages that your employee journey can have. There are 7 major categories: job application, onboarding, work, grow, events, life that happens, and leave. Each stage is broken down into about 5 substages. The cards are signed at the top and color-coded, so you can easily tell them apart. For example, yellow is for events, and here we have 4 substages: all hands meeting, corporate party, team building event, and work anniversary. All stage cards have an image and a description of the substage they focus on. Card by card, you can recreate a detailed, step-by-step journey that your employees go through. You don't have to use all the cards, just the ones you feel relevant for your company and scope. Common sections or layers that your map could have make up the second group of cards. There are 17 layer cards in total, and each comes with a set of framing questions or suggestions. For example, to fill in the employee goals layer, you may answer the following questions. What is important to employees at this stage? What are the conditions for employees to say that everything is great during this stage? Layer cards help you uncover the problems or roadblocks that your employees face and brainstorm solutions. With cards from both groups, you can form the structure of a journey map. For columns, use stage cards in chronological order. For rows, place layer cards at random. Work through the map by filling in all intersections, and you will have an insightful, detailed employee journey. This is what it may look like if you use UX Pressure's CGM tool to bring the map to life. Here we have an end-to-end journey for a young professional who is looking for a full-time job with a reputable company. He goes through the recruitment and onboarding stages, then his career evolves until finally he feels ready to leave. If you have any questions on how to work with the deck or anything else related to employee journey mapping, feel free to ask them in the comments. To download the cards for free, follow the link in the description of this video and have fun mapping your employee journey.